This program brought to you by Guesto Culinary and Hospitality Academy. Guesto.
हाय फ्रेंड्स,
and welcome to Guesto's Prudent.
आयज आमी आसात वास्को खारीवाडो हांगा.
तुम्ही आमच्या फाटल्यान हे फिशिंग ट्रॉलर्स पार्क केल्ले पळयलात आसतले. फिशिंग सध्या स्टेटीन बॅन. पूण हे फिशिंग बॅन आसतना आमच्या सारकिल्या मनशांनी म्हणजे जेंका नुस्त्या शिवार जाता तांच्यांनी कितें करप?
तेंच्यांनी कितें करप होच एक व्हडलो प्रश्न.
ह्या दिसांनी न्ही लोक म्हणजे पावसाची पयलीच तयारी करून दवरता. सुके बिके घेवन ठेवप
म्हणजे आपण तुवें
सुशेगाद खाऊन
तुवें गेल्या फावटीक आमी एक एपिसोड केल्लो तातूंत तुवें पुरू मेता खातीर
एक्झॅक्टली सुकी सुंगटां मागीर खारे बांगडे सगळे घेवन स्टॉक करून दवरप आनी जेन्ना तुका फ्रेश नुस्तें मेळना तेन्ना हें ड्राय केल्लें खावप.
पूण म्हाका एक सांग आपण अशें ड्राय नुस्तें आसता न्ही तेचे कितें तयार करतात एक्झॅक्ट कशें खावप?
ड्राय नुस्त्या पासून खूब कितें कितें करूं शकता. गालमो, किसमूर आनी खूब कितें कितें, पूण तें म्हाका करपाक कळना. सो एज युजल आमकां कोणें तरी शिकोवचें पडटलें. सो आमी एक काम करुया, वास्कोनूच कोणाक तरी धरुया जो आमकां शिकयतलो.
नो प्रॉब्लेम. आमच्या बरोबर आसा एडी सरदार, तो आमकां दाखयतलो वेगवेगळे तरेच्यो खाऱ्यापासून बनणाऱ्यो अश्यो वेगवेगळ्यो डिशीज.
वेलकम मिस्टर सरदार. तुमकां सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार दो सरदार इज नॉट ओरिजिनली फ्रॉम गोवन बट हॅज स्पेंड मोस्ट ऑफ हिज इयर्स इन गोवा अँड ही ऑल्सो प्रिपेअर्स गूड म्हणजे आमचे खाऱ्यांचे जे टिपिकल डीश आसता जे सुके नुस्त्यांनी करतात ते म्हाका दिसता एक तो बऱ्या परेन करून दाखयता. सो टुडे वॉट यू आर गोइंग टू शो अस?
First thing we have to show them how to make this dry mackerel salad.
Dry mackerel salad.
Yeah.
Okay, and what are the ingredients?
This is the ingredient over here. This is for this dry mackerel salad. We have to bring this mackerel dry, and for that we need those onions and lemon and salt.
And salt.
Yeah.
Okay.
This mackerel we have to dry. We have to fry it, or we can in tandoor you can
roast it.
roast it. After roast, we remove all the flesh over here, and then we'll cut the onions, tomato, and green chilies, and mix together.
Okay, fine. I think Avinash, it sounds very tasty. So I think we should start.
This is the mackerel. We have to, because we don't have the oven over here, so we can fry it in.
पावसाच्या पयलीं म्हाका दिसता खुबश्या लोकांनी हे सगळे खारे सुके नुस्तें आसा ते घेवन दवरले.
Because in the rainy season we won't get the fish proper,
Yes, right.
so people are eat all this dry fish over here. So this is the way we have to roast it, nicely to roast it, and then remove the flesh all.
Okay. We have to make it some golden brown color.
Yeah, you have to make it this golden brown color.
Okay,
because
and you have not added any oil?
no oil, no nothing.
Okay.
It is without oil.
Okay.
The mackerel we have roasted. Now we'll remove little bit, become cold. This is the mackerel, which one we roasted. Make the flesh over here.
Okay.
All the flesh is ready over here, and then we have to mix it together. So we'll cut the onions first.
ज्या तरेन चलता खाण्याचेर हाच्या बद्दल तुका कळत आसतलें की ही इज अ शेफ बाय प्रोफेशन एंड इज वर्किंग
कितलो experience
I have got 47 years experience.
अरे बाप रे, 47 years.
I'll put all this, which on mackerel, I put it over here, and now I will add the lemon juice. Only little salt. Because mackerel is when they make the dry, they put the salt. So this is little bit salty is there. So we put little salt. And now I mix together. I will add little chilies over here. Without oil, without anything.
Oh wow. So the salad is absolutely ready, Avinash.
Now we'll make the kismoor.
Okay.
For the kismoor, we need the dry prawns and green chilies, onions, turmeric powder,
Okay.
little salt, and coconut, grated coconut. This is the fresh coconut grated.
Okay.
We make the julienne onions. For this, we require julienne onions. Shredded green chilies. This is now fry pan I put it in the hot fire. When this
Here again, you're not using any oil.
no oil.
Okay.
Now it is no oil. So when I fry this prawns, it is dry like this. You have to fry it. This dry, you have to fry it. It is will be becoming golden brown, and then we will remove this one, the prawns. Now it is the prawn is ready. We remove these prawns and keep it on side. Again, we will put this fry pan, and now I put this onions
Again without oil.
without oil. If you want, you can put little oil. There is no harm at all, but not too much. It is very little oil.
Okay.
So better to so it is without oil.
जेव्हा आम्ही घरान करतो अविनाश त्यांना आम्ही डायरेक्ट कांदा चिरून मिरची चिरून म्हणजे सगळे सुके आहे तव्याचे आणि काहीच ना फक्त आय थिंक ते प्रॉन्स रोस्ट केली तेलान and you add it.
The onion should not be brown. Onion
Not
little
very brown.
no, it should be little sautés only.
Okay.
This raw taste should be good.
Okay.
It should not be raw taste. Now I'll add this coconut. More of coconuts. And mix together. I add little salt and little turmeric powder.
Again, this depends on individual's choice to add turmeric powder or no, or you
No,
usually add.
put little turmeric powder. It looks it is good. You can add coriander leaves also over here, little bit. Now your kismoor is ready. Now I add this prawns. Now your kismoor is ready.
अविनाश परत ही एक अशी झटपट अशी डिश.
Very good taste
So
and
आमची आता किसमुरूय तयार जाल्ली आसा. Chef, what is the next dish?
next dish I will put. I'll show the risal masala how to make it.
Okay, very
And
good
then-
because I don't know how to prepare rishad masala.
I will make the risal masala first. I will show you what is the ingredients over here for the risal masala you require,
Okay.
and then I'll start the risal masala, and then I'll make this some dry bombil.
Dry moments.
Yes. Now I'm showing you the how to make the risal masala.
Okay.
This is your Goan traditions masalas.
Yes.
The people like it.
People,
They make
some of the people cannot just eat fish without this masala.
yes, and with this masala you can make many dishes.
Many
So
dishes, true.
you can make risar, you can make bindalu, you can make many dishes.
Many
You can
dishes.
make it. For this risar masala, for the risar masala require dry chilies,
Okay.
black pepper whole, cloves, green chilies,
Okay.
cumin seed, cardamom, garlic,
Garlic.
ginger, tamarind,
Okay.
and this is coconut vinegar.
Coconut vinegar.
Yeah, which one I can show you this bottle. This is the coconut vinegar. It is available in Goa, everywhere.
Yeah, vinegar is
Yeah.
available throughout
Yes.
Goa.
This is made from the coconuts.
Okay.
This is the vinegar over here. All these ingredients we have to make the roast little bit, very little
You
roasted.
have to roast it all together.
No, you can without roast also you can do it.
Okay.
If you make little roast, it will be taste. It will become more,
Okay.
more.
It would be
But without roast also you can make. It is all the ingredients put in the grinder and grind it with the vinegar only. No water.
No water. And as far as I know, chef, you can store this masala for a
Yes,
long time.
you can store this. But if you put the waters, that masala will be spoiled. So we are grinding these masalas with only the vinegars. That's coconut vinegars. So all these ingredients together we make, and this is the paste will come like this.
Okay.
This is the masala is ready.
Grind it with
Grinded
the
masala, it is ready.
Ah, it smells good.
Yes.
Avinash, I think you can also use this masala because there is nothing added in it.
Yeah.
And maybe you can add some mushrooms.
You can mushroom, you can put fish, you can any vegetable also. There is no harm. With this research masala, today I am showing how to make this dry bombills.
Okay.
This is Bombay ducks, dry one. It is available in the market, and we bought this from the market. Or you can do it yourself also.
Yeah.
With a little salt water, you can make it dry in the hot sun,
Hot sun.
not with the by fire or anything. It's the hot sun.
It
will
requires
be-
only sunlight.
Yes, this is the dry bombil. We brought it and we cut this bombil
And clean
and
it?
I'll soak it little bit 10 minutes with the
Okay.
little warm waters.
Warm waters.
Warm waters.
Okay.
This is the soak bombils over there. Now I will make it this one fried.
Okay. Fine. Just a bombil or with the masala?
Just so the bombil will make little fry,
Okay.
and then I will add the masalas.
Fine.
So my fry pan is hot. I put little oil, 1 spoon oil over it, not too much oil,
Okay.
because too much oil is the harmful. So always the oil should be hot, and then we'll put this mackerels.
Now we've just cut the bombil and you have soaked
Soak
it in
it.
the water. There
Soak
is
it in the water.
No addition.
No, nothing is it. Nothing is additions. Now we'll add this masala afterwards.
Okay.
Okay.
This is
आपण असल्या डिशेस तू घराकडे तयार करून पळयतले जाल्यार तुझ्याकडे फक्त खारे घरात चिकन न्ही.
म्हणजे
ते डिश आसपाक जाय घराकडे.
समरान तुवें बरें झाडून स्टोर करपाचें आणि फुल पावसान कंप्लेन करपाची ना की आपण नुस्तें
आणि
खालें
जाय
ना.
तितल्यो डिशेस तू तयार करू शकता.
आणि शबाने एक बेस्ट काम केला ते म्हणजे तो रेशाद मसालो म्हाका दाखयलो बिकॉज दॅट थिंग लायक आय कुडंट मेक इट एट ऑल. थोड्यांक हो वास अजिबात सोंसना खाऱ्याचो वास म्हणजे कोण घरान बिरान भाजता न्ही तो घरांतल्यान भायर वचून खंय तरी रावता.
some people cannot bear this
Yes,
smell
some
because
people
it is
cannot.
dry. So
And some people do not eat also.
some people do not eat also. Now I add this. It is fried. Now I add this masalas over here, and I add little water.